is in the kitchen. She is making biscuits.
Go ahead.
Benny comes in the kitchen. He loves biscuits. Then he says, these biscuits smell very good.
Dima, repeat.
These biscuits smell very good.
Very good. Now?
I'm very hungry.
Okay.
Benny takes a biscuit.
One. Very good. Then go to the door.
It's in his bag.
Okay. Go away, guys. No. There.
Benny is hungry. The biscuits smell very good. Benny's favorite place is in a tree. Is a tree in the park. He likes to eat biscuits there. Benny takes a biscuit. He puts it in a bag. He goes to the door and he stops. The biscuits smell very good. Benny takes 3 biscuits. He puts them in his bag.
Okay.
Now he's got 1, 2, 3, 4 biscuits.
4 biscuits. Okay,
He
go.
goes to the door and he stops. The biscuits smell very good. Benny takes 6 biscuits. He has them. He puts them in his bag. Now he's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 biscuits. Benny's sister comes in the kitchen. Benny runs to the door. He's got 10 biscuits in his bag.
Okay.
Benny's sister is hungry.
Okay, angry. Be angry. Okay?
Benny's sister is hungry.
Okay? Stop. 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 Okay, go ahead, Rose.
Where are the biscuits? She sees
Okay,
Benny.
I say, where are the biscuits?
Where are the biscuits?
Biscuits.
Give back the biscuits. She said, give back the biscuits.
Okay.
Benny runs down the
Benny
road.
runs.
Benny's cousin is at the school.
Cousin, Benny's cousin. Where is it? Okay. Now?
She says, those biscuits smell very good.
Very good. Okay?
Benny's sister runs down the road.
Run. Run after Benny.
Says,
Run after Benny.
biscuits.
Give back the biscuits. Repeat.
Give back the biscuits.
Okay, stop. No, next.
Benny runs down the road. Benny's uncle is at
Benny's uncle.
Benny's uncle is at
Okay?
smells very good.
Okay, run after Benny. Okay, stop.
Those biscuits smell very good.
Okay, next. Stop.
His sister and his cousin say, give back the biscuits.
Okay.
Benny runs down the road. Benny's grandma is
Then grandma. What did grandma say?
give back the biscuits.
Very good. Run after Benny. Okay, stop.
His sister, his cousin, and his uncle say, give back the biscuits.
Okay. Yes, go ahead.
Benny runs to the park. He climbs his favorite tree.
Mhm.
His sister, his cousin, his uncle, and his grandma say, and his grandpa say,
Okay, grandpa.
Grandpa.
Okay. Run after Benny. Benny, run.
Benny
They say, give back the biscuits. Thank you. Stop.
Benny is in the tree. He opens the bag.
Okay. Benny.
His sister, his cousin, his uncle, his aunt, mom, and his grandpa say, give back the biscuits.
Stop. Listen. Listen.
They fall down. Benny's sister is sad.
Okay. She's crying.
She says, no biscuits.
Say Aya. Repeat it.
No biscuits.
Very good.
There are only crumbs.
There are only crumbs. Okay.
Benny climbs down the tree.
Okay. Coba lagi. Coba lagi. Stay.
Benny says, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. Okay.
But the biscuits smell very good. The biscuits smell very good.
Okay. Very good.
They give the crumbs to the birds.
Okay. Stand up. Give the crumbs to the birds. Okay. Aferin. Now, come back to her.
The birds are happy.
Okay. Bring the
They
biscuits.
like crumbs.
Okay.
Now Benny is helping his sister.
All of the members of the family helping Benny's sister. Go.
They are making biscuits.
Very good.
Benny's cousin, his uncle, his grandma, and his grandpa say, those biscuits smell very good.
Thank you so much. Thank you, my dear student. Now it is time to eat the delicious biscuits. Yummy.